Good afternoon, teachers. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday, November 3rd, Election Day 2020. Start this week's agenda off with a 1915 women's suffrage flyer that lists 7 reasons to get out the vote as teachers. I think what'll shock you about those 7 reasons is that they're still relevant today. If you click on the image, it will take you to the NEA Today website, and it'll provide you some more reasons that teachers should exercise their right to vote. After that, we have our learning targets, as we do each week, followed by a review of our readings from last week, and then we move right down into the agenda, first item being culturally responsive classroom management. And what we're doing is building on our readings from last week, which were over culturally responsive teaching. This week we turn our attention to how we can manage our classes and manage our students in a more culturally responsive way. I've got 2 articles that I want you to read on this topic, and then I want you to get together with your groups, and you're going to create a Pinterest board that will inform other teachers on the steps to take to create a management program for a culturally responsive classroom. I may be getting a little out of the know on this. I know at one point in time, Pinterest boards were extremely popular with teachers as far as finding resources. If the Pinterest board doesn't appeal to you, you think that there's a more effective way to share this information with your colleagues, then by all means email me what your group would like to do, and I can let you know if that's something that I can get behind and support. What I would like to do is just make it relevant for you and make it of interest for you, as well as to create a resource that you can actually share with your colleagues to inform them on this topic. Okay, so when you're designing your boards, be creative. I gave you feedback on your your Padlet boards, so hopefully those help. Some were very organized, some were not quite as organized, some were used a lot more different varieties of resources than others. And with that in mind, I mentioned thinking about how you're organizing your board. I mentioned using different resources like video clips, posters, graphics, articles, pinning to other boards. I just want you to try to make it as engaging and as relevant as possible, at the same time being informative, on the topic of culturally responsive classroom management. Got a place to click on there. It will take you to a Google document where you will share the group name, the group number and the names of the members, as well as the link, as we have done in the past. And that is all that we have to do this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, call me, text me. I'm always happy to hear from you and talk with you. I am working on your family engagement plans. We've got about 48 students this semester in the 2 sections. The average length of the FEPs was probably about 15 pages. I think that comes out to about 750 pages that I'm working my way through, and I will have them finished this week and get them back to you. Again, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you have a safe election day. I know that these are uncertain times. These are some concerning news reports about various election-related items and issues. Again, I hope that you're all well. I hope your families are well, and that you have a safe day and a safe rest of your week. I hope your classes are going well, and take care. I look forward to talking to you next week.